Was a young girl named Bella who used to stay quiet most of the time. She felt sad, tired, and disconnected from the world around her. And every day seemed the same, and she often felt like she had lost the happiness and she once had. Her health and emotional well being were also getting worse, and she slowly stopped enjoying the little things in the life. She did not want to talk much, go outside, or meet people. She would spend hours sitting alone and thinking about everything that was going wrong her in her life. One day, while sitting quietly in her room, Bella saw some simple craft materials on her table. She had always liked handmade things, but she had never thought of crafting as something that could change her life. That day, she decided to try making a small craft project. She started slowly without expecting anything special from it. She simply wanted to keep her mind busy for a while and do something creative with her hands. As she began working, something unexpected happened for a short time. She stopped thinking about her worries. She focused on the colors, shapes, materials, and small details of her project. When she finally finished it, she looked at her creation with a small smile. She was not perfect, but it was made by her, and that made it special. For the first time in many days, she felt a little proud of herself. And the next day, Aisha decided to make another craft. She chose a simple design and started working on it with patience. She learned that crafting gave her something positive to focus on. Instead of spending all her time thinking about negative things, she started thinking about what she could create next. Little by little, her room became filled with small decoration and handmade decoration, and every new project gave her another reason to feel hopeful. Aisha also started going outside more often to buy small craft supplies. At first, she only bought expensive materials such as ribbons, fabric pieces, beads, paper, jute, decorative items. These small shopping trips became exciting for her. She enjoyed choosing new materials and imagining what she could make with them. Even a simple visit to a local shop started feeling like a little adventure. With time, Aisha began sharing her crafts with the people around her. She did not expect everyone to love them, but whenever someone appreciated her work, she felt encouraged. She also learned an important lesson. She did not need to argue with anyone or say hurtful things to prove herself. She decided to stay kind, peaceful, and focus on her own journey. Her crafts slowly became better. She experimented with different designs, colors, textures, and materials. Sometimes a project did not turn out the way she wanted, but instead of giving up, she tried again. Every mistake became a lesson. Every successful project gave her more confidence. She started believing that improvement was possible if she stayed patient and continued practicing. One evening, Aisha looked around her room and realized how much had changed. A few weeks earlier, she had been sitting alone and feeling like nothing would ever get better. Now her room was full of handmade decorations and creative ideas. Her life was not perfect, but she could finally see small moments of happiness again. She understood that even a small positive activity could become the beginning of a bigger change. Aisha then decided to create a large craft project. She collected different materials and planned the design carefully. She spent several days working on it and adding beautiful details and making improvements whenever necessary. When she finally completed it, she was amazed by the result. It was one of the best things she had ever created, and she realized that her creativity was something valuable. She began learning more about handmade crafts and home decoration. She watched tutorials, studied different designs, and practiced new techniques. Instead of simply copying what she saw, she started adding her own ideas. Her creativity became more personal, and people began noticing the difference. Her confidence grew with every new creation. Bella also started taking pictures of her crafts, and she created simple collection of her handmade designs and shared them online. At first, only a few noticed her work, but she did not become discouraged. She remembered how far she had already come. Her goal was no longer only to receive attention. She genuinely enjoyed creating and improving. After some time, people started asking if they could buy her handmade decorations. Bella was surprised because she had never imagined that her hobby could become a source of income. She began expecting small orders and carefully prepared each piece. She treated every customer with kindness and made sure that every product was complete with care. Her little hobby slowly started became a small business. Bella learned about pricing, packaging, customer service, product presentation, and planning. She realized that becoming a businesswoman was not only about making money; it was also about being responsible, creative, patient, and respectful toward customers. There was still difficult days. Sometimes she made mistakes, sometimes an order was difficult, and sometimes she felt tired, but she no longer felt completely helpless. She had discovered something that gave her purpose and allowed her to express herself. When things became difficult, she reminded herself of the girl she used to be and how much progress she had already made. Bella also began taking better care of her daily routine. She went outside more thought, useful, and beautiful little things for herself, organized her workspace, and spent time learning new skills. These small changes made her feel more connected to life. She realized that happiness does not always arrive so as one hug moments. Sometimes it grows through many small positive experiences. Her family also noticed the change in her. They saw that she was becoming more confident and active. The girl who once avoided everything was now excited to discuss new craft idea and business plans. She had started dreaming again. She wanted to build something of her own and prove that herself that her difficult days did not have to define her future. Eventually, Bella created a small handmade brand. She designed beautiful decorations, craft pieces, and creative home accessories. Her work became more professional and she continued learning every day. She started thinking like an entrepreneur and began planning how she could grow her business in the future. Bella never forgot her she had started. She remembered the quiet days when she felt lost and first small craft and helped her focus on something positive. She understood that crafting had not magically solved every problem in her life, but it had given her a meaningful activity, confidence, creativity, and a reason to keep moving forward. Her journey taught her that sometimes a small beginning can lead to a completely different future. A simple craft made at a small table became the first step toward a new life. She discovered that creativity could open doors she had never imagined, and she learned that progress did not have to happen all at once. One small step can be enough to begin. In the end, Bella became a confident young businesswoman who believed in her abilities. She continued creating beautiful crafts, learning new skills, meeting people, and building her dreams. And she knew that life could still have difficult moments, but now she had hope, patience, and a creative patience to help her move forward. Her story was no longer about the sadness she had experienced, it was about the strength she found while creating something beautiful from a very small beginning. So, hope you like all ideas in collection, and thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Take care and goodbye.